Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Scout 255 LXF. Starting off with the profile, this is the Scout white hull color, standard hull color. It looks really sharp and matches the boat really well with the interior colors. We've also got a stainless steel insert in the white rub rail. Beautiful boat, big Carolina bow flare, break in the aft end, very distinct profile on the water. As we come around to the transom, we have two swim platforms on either side with a telescoping boarding ladder to the starboard side, along with a cockpit door that's lockable. Helps keep small children or dogs safely inside. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 150 XCAs, so that's the digital throttle and shift. We have cup holders and rod holders along the transom. Got a nice wide stern seat with a high backrest, very comfortable, and also within an arm's reach of the stainless steel grab rail for safety. When you need the cockpit space, this thing folds right up, gives you a nice bolster off the back end if you're fishing. Right next to the standard bait well on the port side. You've got pop-up cleats, large access to your bilge area. Then on the back side of the leaning post here, we have a nice cooler box or storage box, however you choose to use it. 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders. We have a pull-out Yeti 65. Got rod holders on both sides. Also a good place for a gaff or a deck brush. Coming around the front, the helm seat here has armrests that adjust, has bolsters that work independently of each other, so you as a driver can stand while your passenger comfortably sits. Got a nice footrest here with a helm pad. Got plenty of real estate here at the dash to flush mount additional electronics. We've got a touch screen from Garmin right here. That's a 10-inch, 8610. Edson steering wheel with a steering knob that's on an adjustable tilt. Trim tabs with indicators, digital start and stops. Again, digital throttle and shift from Yamaha. All of our switching is here. We've got LED lights in the hardtop, fusion speakers, aft, grab rails, and 5 rocket launchers. Coming around to the port side, you can see we have a very large head area. Self-contained vacuum flush head with its own holding tank. It's also where batteries are stored along with our stereo head unit. And then coming up front, got a very comfortable seat in front of the console with a very high backrest and storage beneath that's drained. So you can also use this as a cooler if you choose. This is the standard upholstery, very rugged yet very comfortable. We have storage beneath both of the bow seats. That's identical on both sides, finished out, no rough edges. Both of these are drained. Storage here in the foredeck as well. Can be used as a cooler or a fish box. These backrests do slide right out, so you can get them out of your way if you want to open up this space. You can do an optional bow table that mounts up to the front. But standard, you have this fold-out picnic table with the cooler box right here. 2 fusion speakers forward, controls for the windlass anchor, in addition to what you have at the dash. And then you have 2 rod holders, so this boat can accommodate a bow sunshade kit. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.